15%. Now that's the share of operators. When we asked them, what do you think is going to be the biggest impact on your network operations from Gen AI, said new data traffic and customer demands. Welcome back to the GSMA Intelligence Datapoint, where we take a look at one big number driving critical industry trends. And today's number, 15%. Now that's the share of operators. When we asked them, what do you think is going to be the biggest impact on your network operations from Gen AI, said new data traffic and customer demands. Now, before I get to a little bit of context there, let me just say, with MWC 25 right behind us, there was a bunch of different numbers that I could have chosen, right? So the 109,000 attendees, right, from 205 different countries and territories. So when I think about my own team, right, so 390 analyst meetings we had with over 1,500 minutes of content that we shared, tons of numbers. So why do I want to focus on Gen AI and that 15% number? When we look at what we thought were going to be the big trends, we knew AI would be one of them. We know telcos have been putting AI to use. And a big way in which they've been put into use is around their network operations. So it's not too surprising that when we talked to operators last year and said, how do you think Gen AI is going to impact your network operations? Yeah, things like network plan optimization, troubleshooting, predictive maintenance, right? Securing the networks, that those are on the top. And that something like new traffic demands were at the bottom, right? Your 15% that said that was either one or two in terms of the top ways that they think they would see impacts on their network. But as we think about this AI for networks, troubleshooting, maintenance, optimization versus networks for AI, there's a big opportunity missing, right? And we expected to see that reflected at MWC. So it was completely surprising, but very encouraging to see a big focus at MWC on networks for AI. Addressing new traffic demands, things we'll need to do in our networks to support AI, right? So you had Verizon's AI Connect launch, looking at their assets, fiber, edge compute to support AI. You saw Induset looking at AI RAN, workloads that they can support their RAN and AI from a common platform. You had Singtel actually helping us think about what a network means, talking about an AI integrated home gateway. Now, these are all one-offs, independent, but what they show is this trend of operators thinking about networks for AI, what they need to do in the networks to support AI, and hopefully monetize what we know will be a very important customer demand. So once again, thanks for joining us. If this was interesting, I encourage you to sign up to our newsletter, follow our LinkedIn channel, follow us on YouTube, but most importantly, reach out. Thank you very much.